Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you get an error message saying that Windows installer service could not be accessed when you're trying to install any software or uninstall any software in your Windows machine. Now, the first step of what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to make sure your Windows installer services is running in your Windows. Now, to do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc. This should open a window which will display the list of services which are running on the computer. Under this list, go ahead and look for Windows installer. It would be in alphabetical order. So right here, this is where you will find Windows installer. So once you have the Windows installer, the status of the Windows installer needs to be in a running state, and it also startup type needs to be manual. So what you will have to do is you can do a right click on the Windows installer and then click on properties. You may go ahead and click on stop. Once you click on stop, click on start again, click on OK, close this window. Once this is done, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, make sure to unregister and re-register Windows installer. How do you do it? You can press Windows or R key to open the run window, or you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. And in the run window, go ahead and type msixec space / unregister. So msixec space / unregister. Click on OK. Now you wouldn't see any window or any pop-up on the screen. You can leave it as is. Once you unregister, you will have to go ahead and re-register the Windows installer service. So you will have to open the run window again by pressing Windows on R key, or else you can do a right click on the start button and click on run. In the run window, go ahead and type msixec space / reg server. I will also mention this command in the video description. You can copy and paste it from here. Reg server, and click on OK. Once it is done, you may go ahead and try to install or uninstall the software and check if you are facing a problem. You should not be facing any problem. Now, in spite of trying this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step, what I would suggest you to do is to make some use some fixes using the registry. Now, to do this, you will have to open regedit. So you will have to do a right click on the start button and click on run. In the run window, go ahead and type regedit and click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, once you have the registry editor open, you will have to copy the path from the video description and paste it in this window. So it is HK local machine system current control set services or MSI server. You can also navigate to this path manually by clicking on this arrow, HK local machine system current control set, and you can go to services. Otherwise, you may paste the path here and hit enter. It will directly take you to the registry path for your Windows installer. Under this, you will have to, once you have the MSI server selected, on the right hand side, make sure registry value for start is being set to 3. In case if it is other than 3, you will have to go ahead and make the changes and set it to 3. So to make the changes, you can double click on it. In case if it is 2, make sure the value has been set to 3 and then click on OK. Close this window, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you will have to go ahead and unregister and re-register Windows installer. To unregister Windows installer, you will have to open run window. So you can do a right click, click on run and click on OK. This will unregister the Windows installer, and to re-register the Windows installer, you have to press Windows and R key and paste the Windows installer and click on OK. And then try to install or uninstall the software which you are trying to fix. This should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, you can leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.